everybody. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. What I have here is a Scorpion EXO-R2000 Hypersonic helmet I got. It is in the gray finish. I ordered from RevZilla.com. I just got it in the mail. It is Wednesday. I ordered it on Sunday. So the 2-day shipping, they delivered. I just got it in. So you guys can see the box is a little beat up, but that's not their fault. It's all in FedEx. So all right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Gonna open this right here. All right. All right. So we have that's the return label. In case the helmet doesn't fit, they included a return. No, that's a packing slip. Where is it? The return label. All right. Well, anyhow, let's put this on the side. We got a nice cushion. We got some stickers. That's pretty cool. I always love stickers. And we got the wine voucher, which I already got before. I'm probably not gonna use that anyways. And then there's the helmet. All right. Throw this box to the side. Alright, let's see what we got here. So the helmet is supposed to come with the dark visor in it, which I can already tell that it does. So Scorpion EXO, that is the visor. Let's take a look at it. Nice. Which honestly I'm probably gonna swap right away. Nice and solid looking visor. We're gonna pull it right here. Save the case, the sleeve for the clear one, and we have the helmet. Alright, this is size extra large. I ordered. Now I haven't tried this helmet before, but I purchased that build. I believe it's built Raptor, which I tried out and I've been using. That's extra large size. So we'll see how it fits. If anything, RevZilla offers returns and replacements. I got this helmet on sale. So the MSRP of this helmet currently, oh not currently, it was at $299. I got it on sale for $186, I believe. So there's a nice, the case feels really, really nice. It's nice and soft here. And just gonna do this. Which you're probably gonna, oh, there we go, sorry. There it goes. So, as you can see, there's a Scorpion logo on the back. It is SNEL 2015 certified and DOT certified. Alright, let's see what we have. We have the straps and a manual in here. Now, just to compare it, because I can tell it is a little bit more narrow in comparison to these two. Just slightly. Alright. Alright, so well, the visor opens nice and smooth. I like it. We're we have the sticker, and I believe this here, the visor just comes off, I believe. There it goes, nice and easy. Alright. Bam. Perfect. I don't know if you guys saw any other review videos, but as they mentioned, you can see the clip-on the visor lock here is in the shape of the scorpion tail, which is pretty cool. Same right here. And we're gonna put with the dark one, which I believe, there you go, it just snaps on. That is quite awesome. And closed. Damn, that's a nice looking helmet. No, this side didn't lock. I want to practice really. There it goes. There it goes. So one of the cool features is you push this up, pull this up, it locks. If you go down, there it goes. It's a little stiff, but that's actually good. When you pull it down, it creates a little gap here for extra ventilation. You can close it. Alright, now as far as the vents go, we have one, which there's 2 levels, 2 open and close. 1, 2. There's a nice one right here, and then 1, 2 at the bottom. We have exhaust, one here, and one here. Also 1 and 2 here. We have emergency pulls to remove the cheek pads, and then it has the air seal tight technology, where when you put it on, you can pump this, and you can see the cheek pads inflate to make a better fit. Then you press the release. So yeah, all right, now the true test. I'm gonna try it on and let you guys know how it fits. Hey everybody, so since I don't currently have microphone connected to my GoPro, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little voice over the footage I have here, just going over my experience with the helmet. So first of all, I would like to say that the helmet feels absolutely amazing. I like the way it fits. It's definitely more snug and tight than the built one I have, but ultimately it is for more secure and safe feeling that the helmet gives you. The air fit technology is top notch, and that is the feature where you can adjust cheek pads by pumping some air into them for tighter fit. The liner of the helmet is breathable and high quality. One of the issues with the built helmet I had was fogging. Since I do wear glasses, I gotta say that the EXO-R2000 is amazing when it comes to anti-fog technology. The visor also have anti-scratch coating. So as you can see on the footage, I have been using the tinted visor option, and I gotta say, if you plan to ride at evening hours or close to the sunset, I would definitely keep a clear one with you in your backpack for a quick swap. The helmet is definitely very breathable. All intake and exhaust vents circulate air efficiently, and they definitely do what they're supposed to do. As I mentioned in the unboxing, the helmet is 2015 Snell and DOT certified, and it includes 5-year warranty. One last thing I forgot to mention earlier during the review is that the helmet does not have a dedicated communication device like a cutout or special fitting for it. I know some of the helmets have cutouts inside the helmets for the speakers, and they have like a little place where you can mount your Sena on the side. This one does not have it, although I'm pretty sure you can get a Sena and work with it and get it fitted. But if you're expecting for like a seamless fit, it does not have it, so it might need some adaptation. What I am currently using is a Skullcandy Smokin buds too, which are wireless earbuds, and I've tried a few different things, few different options, and these, I gotta say, they work great. You're able to connect to your phone, listen to music, and they do not bother you while the helmet is on. You can fit the helmet over them, and one extra bonus is that they also work as earplugs. I'm gonna go ahead and include the link in the description below if you guys want to get them. They're only like 25-30 bucks on Amazon right now, and definitely worth it. So yeah, just to summarize, I am very satisfied with my purchase, and I would highly recommend it to anybody who's looking for a helmet, either for beginners, for people more advanced. This is definitely a great track helmet as well. So yeah, if you guys want to get it, you can get it online on RevZilla. They have different color options, and like I said, this one was on sale for $108-ish. The MSRP price is close to $300. So yeah, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more content weekly. And yeah, I will see you next time. You guys have a great day. Bye.